Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. In this video, we will be doing the battery drain test of the Moto Edge 60 Fusion 5G. Now, when we did the charging test, we showed that it has a 68 watt charger and it charges the 5500 milliamp hour battery in pretty decent time. At that time, a lot of you have asked us for the battery drain test of the Moto Edge 60 Fusion 5G. Now, remember the battery drain test take a lot of time and effort doing this, but since you guys have asked us for this, so we are here with the battery drain test of the Moto Edge 60 Fusion 5G. Now again, before starting the Edge 60 Fusion 5G battery drain test, we'll remind our viewers that this is not a completely accurate test, just that we are giving an indicative idea of how good or how much of battery drain happens with each app and with Wi-Fi and 5G network, and also ideal battery drain over period of like overnight battery drain. So these things we are considered, and we are using the Jio SIM card on this device for our regular usage. So we'll be using kind of social networking apps, mainly the Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Then we'll use the camera, then we'll do for gaming for some time. So all these things the mixed usage, and we'll use both 5G as well as Wi-Fi network for this. So somewhere around mixed usage we'll do, and we'll see how much of screen on time we get from this device. So that's the battery drain test we are going to do. So before going into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin the battery drain test of the Moto Edge 60 Fusion 5G. So let's start off the battery drain test of the Moto Edge 16 Fusion 5G. So first we'll just unplug the device from the charger, and first app we are going to use is Instagram, and in the first 1 hour we'll use Instagram on Wi-Fi network, and then we'll come back to Instagram again, then we'll use 5G network, so it will be a mixed usage. So first hour of Instagram on Wi-Fi, and at the end of 1 hour of Instagram usage on 5G Wi-Fi network, we have 95% of the battery remaining. That means 1 hour of Instagram took around 5% of the battery. Now we'll continue using Instagram on 5G network this time around, and we'll see how much battery drain happens. And at the end of 2 hours of Instagram usage, 1 hour on Wi-Fi and 1 hour of 5G, we have 88% of the battery remaining. So Instagram on Wi-Fi took 5%, Instagram on 5G took 7%. So now we have 88% battery remaining after 2 hours. Next we'll go to YouTube app. So YouTube is one of the really popular apps we use for media or other videos, and we're going to use YouTube on Wi-Fi network first. So the first hour of YouTube will be on Wi-Fi network, and at the end of 1 hour of YouTube streaming, we have 78% battery remaining. So almost 10% battery drain happened with Wi-Fi network on YouTube. Next we'll go to YouTube on 5G network. So next 1 hour we'll stream YouTube on 5G network, and at the end of 4 hours of usage, we have 70% battery remaining. So 30% battery emptied in 4 hours. Next we'll use the camera. We'll record videos. 4K 30 FPS is the maximum supported, so we'll record some videos and we'll use the camera for the next 1 hour, and we'll see how much of battery drain happens. So we are using both on Wi-Fi as well as 5G network, and at the end of 5 hours of usage, we have 53% of the battery remaining. So 53% is the battery after 5 hours of usage. So that means 5 hours, half of the battery has gone, almost half of the battery has gone, and remaining is 53%. So we'll stop the battery drain test as of now, and we'll come back tomorrow morning, almost like 8 hours or 9 hours after. So we'll see the ideal battery drain for this 9 hours, and then we'll come back again and do the battery drain test. So we are starting off the test once again. So ideal battery drain was around 5%. Now we have 48% battery. From 53 it has come down to 48%. So 5% ideal battery drain over 8 to 9 hours of usage. Next we'll go to Facebook and we'll use Wi-Fi network for Facebook videos. We'll stream for 1 hour and then see the battery. So at the end of 1 hour of Facebook usage, we have 42% battery. So now 6 hours completed on this device and we have 42% battery. Now we'll go to Twitter. Twitter is another popular social media app, and we'll watch some videos on Twitter using the 5G network. And at the end of 1 hour of Twitter usage, we have 33% battery remaining. So 9% drop with Twitter on 5G network. So next we have gaming. So we'll use we'll play Asphalt Unite as well as BGMI on Wi-Fi network, and for 1 hour we'll use both the games together, probably 20 minutes of Asphalt and then 40 minutes of BGMI, and then at the end of 1 hour of gaming we have 22% battery remaining. So now 8 hours is completed in total and we have 22% battery remaining. Next we'll go back to Instagram, and this time around we'll use 5G network, and we'll play some reels, and at the end of 1 hour of Instagram on 5G we have 14% battery remaining. And next let's go back to YouTube on Wi-Fi network, and we'll stream once again on for 1 hour, and at the end of 10 hours of usage we have 7% battery remaining. So 10 hours completed on this device and we have 7% battery remaining. Of the 10 hours we have used almost 4 hours, 4.5 hours on 5G network, and rest all was on Wi-Fi. And finally we'll go back to camera usage. We'll record some videos and let's see how much time it takes. So, and now at 10 hours and 25 minutes you can see that the battery is empty. So 10 hours and 25 minutes is what it took to drain the battery from 100 to 0% on the Moto Edge 60 Fusion 5G. So we feel this is quite good experience, considering that this is a 5500 mAh battery. This is quite good experience. So what do you guys think about the battery on this device? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. So that is a battery drain test of the Moto Edge 60 Fusion 5G. So overall you can see that it lasted slightly more than 10.5 hours, and that's pretty good considering that the 5500 mAh battery does have good optimization. And if you consider the iQOO Neo or the iQOO Z10, which we did the battery drain test couple of days back, it had a 7300 mAh battery and it lasted 14 hours. Considering that this is quite good, I would say 10 hours, but in the real world you will probably get somewhere around 8 to 9 hours. This is 10.5 hours is our usage, but in real world probably you'll get somewhere 8.5 to 9 hours, again depending upon usage. If you play a lot of games, then battery life might go down, but if you're a casual gamer you might get more battery life. In fact 10.5 is kind of maybe you might get more than that, that's depending upon the usage. So this is never an accurate test, just an indicative idea to get to see how the battery drains and how much of screen on time you will get with the device. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.